I'm a wanderer. I always want to know what's next, what's behind the corner, what awaits me after each turn. I'm never satisfied because I know I can do more, be more, achieve more. Hoping is obsolete. Doing is key. Do more to know more. Don't settle for less. It doesn't matter where you're from or who you are, what language you speak, or what your craft is. You can, and you're going to succeed. This past year, I was in a dark place. I felt as if nothing was worth it anymore. But I got up and said to myself, this is temporary, just a fraction of a moment, which I have to fight through. I refuse to give up and disappoint myself. And so I began on a new road. I molded it to be my own. I designed and created my future. I got to visit so many new places, meet many new people, challenge myself to go out of my comfort zone. All that because I believed in my dreams. The past year has been an anomaly, but not at all an abnormality. You can do it too. Just never stop.